Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hazy from How to Hazy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these pineapples. But your pineapple might look with this will be green. I didn't have green at the time, so I just used white, and it'll be a lot larger than this. I just didn't have green rubber bands at the time, so yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make them. This is off the loom, so you don't need a loom, and this is so easy. You're just going to need your loom hook. It looks like this. I just have mine right here. And I have whatever you want, like the actual pineapple part to be. I'm using yellow, and for the leaves, I am using green. So you're just going to need a lot of rubber bands. So I would make sure you have a lot of rubber bands at like where you are. I can't really tell you how much I have, but yeah. So let's just get started. So we're doing the pineapple body first. So it might be hard to see on camera, but here's your hook right there. You're gonna take a single rubber band, and if you know what a cap band is, if you know what a cap band is, go ahead and do it. I'm going to show the people that don't know how to do cap band how to do it. So you're going to take your hook, and you're going to take your single rubber band, put it around your hook, twist it, put it on your hook, twist it, and on your hook. So you can see you have 3 parts of rubber bands. It's not really focusing, but it's focusing on me right now, but you can kind of see that I have 3 rubber bands right there. But it's not, it's just one single rubber band. It looks like 3 rubber bands. So then you're going to take 2 rubber bands and you're going to twist them together. Well, not really twist them, just put them together. And then you're going to use your hook right there. And you're going to take it. You're going to hook it like this. Make sure it's not all twisted and everything. Just make sure it's straight. Then, what you're going to do is you're going to slide this cap band over the top. And I pinch it, but you can also slide. And then slide that down and put this over. So, there you go. And there it is. And then that's number 1. You're going to do 4, and you're going to do 3 rows. Or you can do how many ever you want. But this is 3, and I did 3 rows. That's why it's so small. So, yeah. And then you're going to take 2 rubber bands again. You're going to take 2 rubber bands for now on. So then you're going to take them together and slide that whole piece on. Just like this. So you're going to take... Sorry, my hand is in the way, guys. It's kind of hard. And then you're going to take this part right here, pull over the top, and pull this part over the top. So now it's on there. And then slide that down and slide that on. So that is number 2. And I kind of like to pull the cap band, so it looks more better, I guess, is what you would call it. So, there's number 2. Here's number 3. I'm going to take 2 rubber bands again and slide that whole thing on. 2 rubber bands. And now what you're going to do is slide this piece on. Hold on. Slide this piece on over top and slide this piece over top, like you did before. And then you're going to do the exact same thing one more time. And I like to pull the cap band. That way I know that my cap band is my cap band. And then do that again. I'll show you one more time. Pull over, and slide down. So these 2 pieces right here you won't use. So just put it over to the side over there, like right here. And then you're going to take your cap band, that'll be 3 rubber bands. And make sure you get all of those. If you don't, it won't work out. And make sure you don't have more than 3. These look like little rings right now. Then you're going to go in them. And make sure you have 3. And make sure these are separated and these are separated. So that makes the bottom, like the curve, like right here, the bottom of your pineapple. So that's number 1. No, that's not number 1. We were just doing that. Here's number 1. And you're only going to slide these 3 first rubber bands onto that one. So I'll show you really quick. You're going to take these and slide them over just those 3. That's number 1. Now make sure you know where your cap band is every time. Now you're going to take 2 rubber bands again and slide only those 4. Sorry, my lighting is kind of bad. So here's these. You're only going to do this one and this set. So you're only going to do 1 set. And then here's number 2. And slide this pair over. You're going to slide this over and that over. That's number 2. Here's number 3. Number 3. And number 4. Only those 1 pair. So the first 2 over and slide down, and then you're gonna get your cap band again, and mine is right here, and pull it over again. So my cap band, and put my hook through it. Alright, this is the last time, and then we do the leaves, which is so exciting. So you've almost created the body of your pineapple, like this part right here. You've almost done that. So then you're gonna do only those 3 rubber bands, which is that cap band. Make sure everything is separated and nice. That way you know what you're working with. So you're only gonna pull over those 3 rubber bands again. Pull over 1, and then the other 2. Whoops, 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 whoops. Here, hold on, guys. I can fix this. So, yeah, there we go. Sorry, guys. My light is going everywhere today. I am so sorry. But, there we go. I'm going to take 2 rubber bands again. Like I said before. And only those 3 rubber bands. I mean, only those 2. So only that pair you're going to do. So you're going to take 2 rubber bands and pull over those 4. So you're going to take them and make sure everything is separated out. You're going to pull over this, and you're going to pull over this pair. That's number 2. Then you're going to keep doing that for 2 more rows. For 2 more pairs. So just do it 2 more times. Ow. Do that 2 more times. Number 1 and number 2. And number 2. There we are. And if you need to pause this video to catch up or replay something, you can definitely do that. So I'm going to take it, and now you have your pineapple body, but you have to have room for the leaves. You have to have room to put the leaves on there. So what I do is I take it little by little and just pull it onto my part of my hook here. So I take little by little pieces and pieces and slide it all the way down like this. Alright. So slide it down a little bit more is what I'm going to do. Slide those pieces on all the way down. There we go. Now you're going to take whatever color you want the leaves to be. Mine, in this case, will be green. You're going to take one single rubber band and make your cat band again. 1, 2, 3. And then get your rubber bands again, and you're going to make your loop. So you're going to take it, and then slide those 3 rubber bands on it like we did for the pineapple. Slide it down and put it on. And that's 1 leaf. And I like to slide mine down like here. So you've finished 1 of your leaves. Here's number 2, and you're going to do 3 leaves. So you're going to do that same thing. 1, 2, 3. Single rubber band. And then take 2 rubber bands. And clip and slide that rubber band over that cat band in the middle and slide it down and over the top. So it looks like that. Do it one more time. Make your cat band. Twist, twist, and twist. And then slide it, get 2 rubber bands again. And take it. Make sure everything is separated out. That way you know. And then you slide that cat band over it. Slide your cat band over it, or pinch it, pull over it, and then you've got your last leaf. So you wonder, how do I put it all together? So you're taking a single rubber band, not a double, just a single. Slide all of those pieces onto that one. So I'm going to slide 1 leaf onto it. Here's number 2 leaves. Try not to overlap things and slide them down on this as far as you can. And do it with this leaf and this leaf. So now it's on there. And then you're going to do it with the pineapple. Pineapple is really simple. Just pull over, 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 over on this one too. Over. Alright, now you have every single of your pieces on. And you're going to keep that on there and slide this piece on that you've been keeping with your finger. And then you're going to make a slip knot. If you know how to make a slip knot, go ahead. But for the people that don't know, I'm going to teach you. You're going to take the rubber band, the single rubber band that is closest to the bottom of your hook. You're just going to pull over your hook, and that makes a knot. And then you're going to pull this that's still on your hook, and then keep a hold of the little loop right here, because you're going to pull over the leaves. And it's really easy. It just makes it more secure. So you're going to take them and just go over. And then just fix it and take the pineapple and do that and all that. There it is. And you have your finished pineapple. See, I told you it's bigger. Like, it's a little bit bigger, but they're still so cute. And yeah. So, if you guys have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that like button. And please tell me your suggestions of what you want to see off the room. Like, even fruits you can do. Because I'm going to post another video soon, probably tomorrow or this weekend or something. I am just going to post it of how to do this lollipop. So don't say lollipop, because I will definitely do the lollipop. And this one actually is a charm. You can make this one a charm without putting the thing over the leaves, but you can if you want to. You don't have to. I just do it that way. It's more secure. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go check my other videos out. If you guys are new to this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to become a member of my family. It's the pink family. So if you guys want to become a member of that, please subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on notifications. Post notifications, you always know when I post a new video. Bye guys. Peace out.